So with this definition, you all understood the pivot method, and now see the example of pivot method. This is the syntax. So first you have to use the pandas object dot pivot method, and you have to pass the three argument: index, column and value. So which column you want to create as an index, so you can pass here, and the which column you need from the table, so you generate the columns, new column, and third, in which value you want to analysis, to pass the values. So these three arguments you have to pass. In this example, here I am creating a data frame. First you have to create a data frame, or you can use any data frame. So if you have any existing data frame, so you can use that, or you can also create a data frame. So here I am creating the data frame. So look at here. First you have to simple import pandas as PD, and this data frame I am creating for the class 12th. So I am first create the dictionary, create class 12th equal. First I have a name column in my data frame, so name, and this is the list of all name. Second column is subject, and its list of subjects I will assign into the column, and third column is a score, and its list are 99, 87, 88, 67. These list I assign into that column, and fourth column is grade, and that grade I have assigned. Clear? So this list has been assigned into the grade list. So this is created our dictionary, and that dictionary we can convert into the data frame. Clear? So with how you can convert into the data frame? So simple. You have to use the pd dot data frame. This is the data frame object. Here df equal pd dot data frame, and here within the parenthesis you can pass the dictionary, that class 12th will be converted into the data frame, and which column you want to keep, so you can pass. This is the optional. Clear? So whether you can pass or not. So this is the optional, because we already assigned the column name. So simple, you can once again you can pass. Let's keep in practice. So column we have name, subject, score and grade. These column we have into that data frame. So this dictionary has been converted into the data frame, and you can call this with the name of df, and you see here in this table that data frame has been created. So this is our data frame table. Now we convert that data frame table into the pivot methods. So we want to analysis that record. So now I am creating the pivot table. So you know that the pivot is used for the data analysis, and the pivot is create the new table. So now I am implementing the create pivot table. So this is the next operation we have, creating pivot table. So how you can create the pivot table? So just you first create the pivot identifier. This is the pivot identifier PV. This is user defined name PV equal df, that is data frame table identifier or object name, data frame object name, with which data frame you want to convert into the pivot table. So will put you will place that name. So df is our data frame. So df dot pivot, we convert it into the pivot form. So simple, call the pivot method, and then you pass three arguments. So which column you want to create as an index, so pass here. So index, I want to convert name. Clear? Name will be convert into the index. So index equal name I have assigned. Next, which column which column you need into the pivot method as a column. So here I need the all subject should be converted into the column. So here I place a subject column. So that subject will be converted into the columns. Clear? And which uh, value you want to analysis. So as a value I need the score column. So score will be placed as a value for the pivot methods. Clear? So now that table has been converted into the pivot table, and you can call this as a PV. Now when you will execute the PV, so you will get that table. So that table you will get, and you see here the subject. Clear? This is the subject, and subject as a treated as a column. So here CS, chemistry, maths and physics has become a column name. You see here these subject we have CS, physics, chemistry and maths, and these all subject has become the column name. Clear? Because we assign into the column as a subject. Next, index. You see here the name. Now the index is become the name. So all these name has been become what? Index, because you pass here name as a index. Okay, so name has become as a index. So that's why it is all name are treating here as index. And next, value. Which values should become into the pivot table? So you pass score. So all the score value will be value of that particular table. So these value you can see here. So only Pratibha have the marks of CS. You see in this table the Pratibha have only CS subject marks. Clear? 99. So that's why it is showing here 99. Aryan have no any value, none value, so that's why it assigned here NaN. Clear? Not available. Clear? So NaN will be assigned here. And Ritika have also no any value, so that's why NaN. And Soumya have also NaN. Only Pratibha have CS marks, so that's why you see the value, original value are here. And next, as it is other column, you see here Aryan have no any CS value. You see Aryan have only maths value 67, so it will execute the Aryan maths value only, and other NaN. As it is Pratibha, you see Pratibha have only the CS value, so that's why you get the marks only CS and other not none. And also you see into the Ritika have only the marks of physics 87, so that's why it will execute the marks of 87 in physics and other none. And Soumya have the only marks of what? The Soumya have only the marks of chemistry. You see in the chemistry have the marks insomnia. So that's why only it is executing the marks of chemistry and other. So this is the pivot table. I think you all understood how to create a pivot table from the data frame. So that table is new table and it's it is a pivot table, and that always created with help of the data frame. So first you should have the data frame, then that data frame will be converted into the pivot table. Whether you will create it that data frame, or if you have a existing data frame, so you use that. Clear? So always the pivot table is a new table which is created from the data frame.